Student Wei Wen, put the floor cushions on the sofa.
Got it. I'll immediately put the cushion from the floor onto the sofa.
What color is the cushion in front of you?
I'll use my eyes to take a look for you. White.
Classmate Wei Wen, please help me move the blue medicine from the third shelf to the top.
Okay, I'll immediately help you move the blue medicine box from the third shelf to the top.
How many boxes of medicine do you see?
I'll take a look for you. There are 3 boxes of medicine in total. So 1 red, 1 blue, and 1 yellow.
Classmate Wei Wen, please help me throw this piece of clothing into the dirty laundry basket.
Okay, I'll immediately help you put the clothes into the dirty laundry basket.
How many clothes do you see in front of you?
I'll take a look for you. There's a black piece of clothing in front.
Please help me put this one in as well.
Help me put the plate in the dishwasher.
Okay, I'll immediately help you put the plate in the dishwasher.
What did you see in the dishwasher?
I'll take a look for you. There's a transparent glass cup in the dishwasher.
Please help me lower the hospital bed.
Okay, I'll lower the hospital bed for you right away.
Okay, that's enough. Stop.
Got it. Stopping the exercise immediately.